Right out the middle of double brown track in the rain.
Once upon a time when I was young, I was a dreamer, a true believer, nothing could stop me. I had my own adventures that my mind made up. I was my hero, my happy ending. I knew where I belonged, yeah. Those days are gone, but I know where I come from. I just wanna come undone. I think about you when I look at myself in the mirror, and I dream about who I am. I see you and me, who I wanna be. Yeah, I think about you when I look at myself in the mirror. You are looking right back at me. Yeah, I know what I see. You're the superstar in me. You're the superstar in me. You're the superstar in me. Remember thinking I would never change. Rebel forever, doing whatever that I wanted. Chasing dreams like nothing was impossible. Living with no fear, seeing it all clear. Now look what I've become, yeah. Those days are gone, but I know where I come from. I just wanna come undone. I think about you when I look at myself in the mirror, and I dream about who I am. I see you and me, who I wanna be. Yeah, I think about you when I look at myself in the mirror. You are looking right back at me. Yeah, I know what I see. You're the superstar in me. You're the superstar in me. You're the superstar in me. Those days I could be anything. I wish I could still believe in the dreams of mine. Oh, that reminds me of who I am. That would bring me back, the child on my inner. I want you to know that I think about you. And I think about you when I look at myself in the mirror. You are looking right back at me. Yeah, I know what I see. You're the superstar in me. You're the superstar in me. You're the superstar in me. I've got this curious feeling crawling inside my brain.
Top of the Eagle's Nest now. That's where we were before. Foggy.
Nothing will be the same. I hear you, I see right through you. Maybe I'm full of demons. Maybe I'm all
Definitely don't want to drive a little bit too far when you're turning around here.
believe it when they say I have the power. It doesn't really matter. I have the power. My feet and you left around hands, my finger on the trigger. I have the power. The fire that's inside of me. It's impossible.
This would have been pretty slippery originally too. Looks like someone got stuck down there and stuck a whole lot of scrub and stuff on the track. See on top of the parka there. back home now. Still on the other side of the canyon though. The Pumice Lookout or the Canyon Lookout is up in that cloud somewhere. So a fair way to go up along that ridge. Someone was stupid enough, or crazy enough, or brave enough, whatever you want to call it, to come up here on a frickin' dirt bike. Put it in the comments if you know who's that crazy. Back into known territory, Pumice Lookout or the Canyon Lookout, whatever you want to call it. Where we were is that hill way over there, right up on the top of it. They call it the Eagle's Nest. Can't see the mountains today.